Almost up, huh?
Yeah. Careful, brother's face and his car. I know you want it just because it says up.
You want something to play with?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
In the basket.
Yeah, we put them all away in the basket.
Are you ready to go take a bath?
No.
Oh, too snuggly? Are you too snuggly?
You better come with me, girl.
What's that car saying?
You're getting sleepy. I think she's getting sleepy. You getting tired?
Get your foot.
Uh-oh. Those feet.
Tired. Yeah, he's tired. Sweet boy.
No, it even rolls. It's got a motor.
Mama.
That's a good one.
All right, it's bath time, I think.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, this is a movie. This isn't just a flash thing.
It's true.
Uh-oh.
It is.